We are winding down Women's Health Month, and today, a few health reminders. Anchor Shannon Cake here joining us in studio with those tips and 5 ways women can stave off cancer. Shannon.
Good way to wind this down, Honey. Curiously, some of the tips we've been sharing this week are overlapping with this last list to stave off cancer. I caught up with 2 local doctors with a few things for us on their prescription pads. So you said 65%.
Today, we're taking a stroll between rounds with Dr. Jennifer Curtin. Inside HCA Florida St. Lucie Hospital, we're chatting about her brand new board certification called Lifestyle Medicine.
It's a new specialty in medicine, and it really uses evidence-based to incorporate lifestyle to help treat conditions such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and using lifestyle intervention as a way to prevent, treat, and sometimes even reverse.
It's getting back to the basics, but now Dr. Curtin tells me they have the science and the studies to back up years of theories that eating lots of fruits and veggies, lots of exercise, and getting lots of sleep are all critical to good health. But there's one more thing.
Social connections. And with that one is really important because we have evidence now showing that people that keep those social connections tend to be healthier and less stress, less anxiety.
The active lifestyle, good diet, and sleep hygiene critical, according to oncologist Dr. Kelly Foster. She says those lifestyle changes go a long way to staving off serious disease like cancer.
In women, the top 3 cancers are breast cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer, and these make up over 50% of cancer cases in women.
At Tampa General Hospital, Dr. Foster and many of her colleagues here locally, they can't stop talking about this new statistic just out. The American Cancer Society predicting that for the first time ever, new cancer cases in 2024 will top 2 million. So Dr. Foster's #1 prescription for tackling that prediction?
We know that smoking is one of the most preventable causes of cancer cases and cancer deaths. So very important to eliminate tobacco products, and smoking would be top of the list for me.
Dr. Foster doubled down on that rainbow-looking diet. And as for the amount of exercise for women,
being overweight and obesity actually increases the risk of 13 different cancer types, including breast cancer, endometrial ovarian cancer, and colorectal cancer.
So she recommends vigorous exercise anywhere from 75 to 150 minutes a week. And rounding out her script pad to stave off cancer, Dr. Foster offered up one final tip.
We have very, very good tools to screen, detect cancer early, and even prevent certain types of cancers. So it's important for women to make sure they're getting their mammograms, their colonoscopies, their pap smears, and make sure you're having a conversation with your doctor about, are you an average risk patient or a high risk patient? If you're a high risk patient, maybe you may need additional supplemental screening.
Hearing some of that overlap, right? We've reinforced it all week long. So just to recap on this piece tonight, 5 tips to stave off cancer. Stop smoking. Exercise 75 to 150 minutes per week. Eat a rainbow in your diet, basically lots of fruits and veggies. No more than 1 glass of alcohol per day, and get those screenings, the mammograms, the colonoscopies we've been talking about all week long. All very good reminders and good tips for a long and healthy road ahead for all of us.
And a common denominator, even in the pieces that you covered earlier, the diet and the exercise can really help you sort of take that into longer term, good health. And of course, scheduling those checkups. And I remembered something from earlier this week about making it on your birthday.
Yes.
Which kind of really stuck with me. So
that was a good reminder, shared with a friend here actually at Channel 5, one of our colleagues who had she had been diagnosed with breast cancer. And she came to my desk and she said, Shannon, please promise me you'll do this. And to this day, I always book everything on my birthday. We're going to find you a
I need to do that.
And you heard about the sleep too, right, honey?
Yes, I know. We got to get that.
Yes. It's hard.
As mommies.
Moms, it's hard to get that sleep in. But
it really is.